Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today on News Hub 88 for our very first episode of Cooking Smarter, Not Harder. It's our new Monday at noon show. Today we're cooking up some creamy southern red beans and rice. Come on y'all, let's get started. First you will need to get your 3 1/4 cup of water. Now add that to the pot. Bring to a rolling boil, then grab 2 cups of rice and add that to the pot. Stir, then wait for it to return to a boil. Then cover and then lower the heat to medium and simmer for 15 minutes. Now grab 2 links of smoked sausage and slice it up into pieces and then add it to the pot. Simmer until the juices start coming out, stirring frequently for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then grab your pre-cut frozen veggies and add them to those juicy sausage. Put those in with the sausage and simmer until they appear to have softened a bit. Then grab those cans of blue runner red beans. Cans of creamy goodness already prepared. Just have to add all 4 cans to the pot with a 1/4 cup of water. Now mix everything together. Place the lid on the pot and set the timer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now, the rice should be done. Remove it from the burner and let it set until the beans are done. Then fluff and serve up them red beans and rice New Orleans style. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our very first recipe video. If you did, please subscribe so you will be notified when our next Monday's video is aired. Thanks again from News Hub 88, where we cook smarter not harder, every Monday at 12 p.m.